Would always threaten me with taking half of the possessions. And, my primary thing was always to try to keep the mother in the children's life, no matter, I guess, at what cost. But in the end, I failed miserably. Every attempt that I made.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Michigan State Police and the Michigan Pest Control Association. Many residents across the state of Michigan have turned into vicious cat-like creatures. The situation had started 3 hours ago when people within the city of Detroit came down with an unknown illness. Then, 30 minutes after the people became ill, they suddenly started transforming into these cat-like entities. In addition, these cat creatures also appear to be abnormally large, with their height being 5 feet 6 inches tall. Law enforcement agencies across the state of Michigan are at a loss of words of why this is occurring at this time, but are currently trying their very best to exterminate these cat-like creatures. At this time, residents across the state of Michigan that have not turned into a cat-like creature are strongly encouraged to shelter in place immediately. To shelter in place, lock and barricade all windows and doors from the inside to ensure your safety from these creatures. Make sure that you have gathered all the necessary supplies such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, blankets, pillows, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, toiletries, and a battery-powered hand crank or weather radio with extra batteries to last you the entire duration of this emergency. Ensure you also have a weapon with you in order to defend yourself from these cat-like organisms. If any of these creatures break into your place of shelter, protect yourself and your family at all costs. If any inhabitants in your shelter appear to be ill, dial 911 immediately. Do not approach these creatures, as they will maliciously attack you on sight. Do not go outside. Doing so will put your life in great danger, and you may encounter one or more of these cat-like entities. Take action now to protect your life. Please continue to monitor local stations and media outlets for more information on this very dangerous situation.
Is epidemic proportions in America, correct?
Absolutely.
And is this, I get the feeling that so many of our